creation. This is us. Nobody like us. This is Avica. There's nobody like Avica. Nobody in this industry. There's consultants out there. There's Georgia Smith. There's Action International. There's a whole slew of them. A bunch of accountants. They call themselves trainers. Nobody does what we do. If you look at our brochure, it says we are a company unlike any other. Because we created something nobody had. That's what you need. Anybody can be a builder, anybody can be a contractor. Anyhow, it's a little more difficult to be a lead contractor, but it's still a contractor, a builder. You need to be something beyond that. You figure it out.
That's what I heard.
But no, it isn't hard for that. You hard to put juices in your head to get going. You come up with the answer.
So people approach us because we're a green builder, and that's already differentiated. We can always differentiate more, but I'd have to check on, there's a lot of individual building companies in Edmonton. We differentiate it down to a pretty, very few competitors. We can definitely refine it more. But people call us because, we build green homes, we build net zero homes that produce as much energy as they consume.
We don't build green homes. We build, and you need to drill it down. Look, we have a roofing company. I think I told the story. A roofing company in Winnipeg, Chateau Roofing, and he was a fireman, full-time fireman, part-time roofing contractor. He was doing about $1 million a year in sales and plus his salary. And I told him within a year we'll have to quit his fire department because there's no bloody way he will be able to handle. The one thing he recognized he recognized the value of marketing. In the first year, to all the profits, $180,000 imported only to marketing. Already, a quick penny into marketing. Within 2 years, we got so people would call. All they did is restore roofs, pitch roofs. We got to a point where people would call, and that's a result of our marketing program, that they would call and say to people, I want you to come and give me a quote on a roof, and it must be Chateau Roof approved. In other words, it must be inspected by Chateau Roofing. And the competition would say, well, we can't. Well, no, it has to be a Chateau Roof guarantee. Because of the program that we created, we said it's lifetime labor material warranty. Lifetime. Lifetime. Your life, roof life, lifetime. And of course everybody wanted that, so we created a brand for Chateau Roofing, and they wanted to get that inspection and that warranty. And we can only get that warranty if it was inspected by Chateau Roofing and stamped by Chateau Roofing and done to Chateau Roofing standard. Well, the competition said we can't do that. You have to go Chateau Roofing. Okay, I'll go Chateau Roofing. Within 2 years, we took them from $1.5 million to $10 million in business. And roofs in Winnipeg, their city is so bloody old. We did a research. Of course, we did it for the business plan. We did the research to find out the demographics, how much business they would have. And we figured it was perpetual. He wouldn't live long enough to run out of business. Perpetual. Because by the time he would get to the end, we'll start all over again.
I thought they were lifetime.
Yeah, but there's still roofs. There's no way to cover all the city.
Wear and tear. And I think the one thing you're not saying here is that no matter how many competitors come behind off of the same thing, Shadow did it first, and they're first and foremost. And everybody else can copy it, but it will always be known as their program.
And that's what I'm saying. It's the branding. It's the setting yourself apart from the competition, away from the type of dogs. So, there are other roofers out there. There are other home builders out there. There are other green home builders out there. But there's nobody like a fake. A fake doesn't provide a home. It provides a palace, something. I don't know. You come up with it. That's what I'm saying. I put juices in your head. I won't give you the answer. You got to come up with an answer.
What's stopping somebody from bringing you the plans to your house and saying, can you build it? Besides, okay, well, we'll change these few things because we can't copy that plan.
We have the engineer that design, the engineering company that designs our profile. They do a yearly inspection of our manufacturing and how we manufacture windows. He came and sat in my office, and he was floored by the window. And they designed the window, they engineered it. He asked me about the glass. He couldn't get off the phone, he couldn't get on the phone quick enough to Phoenix, to Arizona, places like, we just sold our first job to Australia. Guess who sold it? He did. You know, we're shipping a job to Australia.
We have glass that's exclusive to us, which is on our mail-out, which troubles me that it's on our mail-out, but people haven't called and said, hey, what's this glass that's on your mail-out that's exclusive to you? So yes, we're trying to do that, come up with.
Is the glass branded? We talked about that. Did you put a brand on the glass? Is there something
No, but
that you need?
But even, see, I don't know, that troubles me, that it's on our mail-out, but people haven't phoned and asked, well,
Okay.
if you're doing that, what's about, tell me about it.
Let me feel this one then, is because you're selling a item, not the benefit. Don't sell the item. People don't give a shit
Sell the
about glass.
solution.
Sell them, yeah, you want to sell them on what? Our exclusive
Sell
glass
the
does
solution.
X.
You are.
Market the solution, don't market the product. You're marketing a house, market the solution. People want answers, they want solution. I want the house, I can't afford it, I find a solution.
Don't sell the product, sell the effect, sell the solution, sell the result that people are getting. They're buying the result, not the product itself.
He wasn't, like, he knew our values and new values as the engineering manager, to know that this glass, like, I didn't disclose to him how it's applied and stuff, but I said, these are the R values that we're getting. He says, out of the double pane. I'm like, yeah, he was incredible. Incredible. So he's selling for us. You know, and we've got, we're sending windows to Colorado, we're sending Australia, and this is all through him. We're getting an order out of China for that.
If you can sell to China, you're good.
So,
Or you're too cheap.
then I think that's,
But I'm serious, why aren't you branding the windows? I've asked you to do that a long time ago. Brand the windows so they've got
Because we haven't
a
found
trademark on
a
it.
consistent way to apply the brand to glass, that's all. So, and that would be of quality, right?
Anyway, so, but, okay, so there's an example in here, and like Troy said, don't market your product. Market the result, market the solution. You build country homes. So why do people buy country homes? Why?
Why would people buy a country home? Basically, they want to be in the country, you need a country builder that knows how to put in cisterns and septic fields and power requirements and power poles.
Yeah, well, there are hundreds of contractors that can do that, so why you?
Yeah. You know,
So why Stone Shop? You got a great name, and I don't see it anywhere. So why Stone
that's a
Shop?
great name.
It's a fabulous name, so why I don't see it anywhere? Why don't I hear it on the street? When I tell people about Stone Shop, I say, so who?
So is that advertising?
It's branding, it's marketing, but beyond marketing the houses of the brand, market the company and the solution that it creates, or the results that it creates. Why do you want to move to the country? I don't know. You have to. Why do you want to move to the country? You know, why do you want to buy the country?
I think that
She's the answer right here. She wants to move into the country and she can.
There you go. Why? Why?
Why do you want to move into the country?
So I want to go home after day work and have peace, and that would be what would be for
Are you
me,
listening?
is being out in my yard, sitting on my grass, and quiet, listening to birds sing.
So, you know, as a builder, I either have to go and purchase, property and lots and have exclusive rights to be able to build those homes and like in the city. But that's not affordable for us. So most of the time, people come to us, they already have their property and now they need a home built on it. So we go through the design process. And,
Quality of life, I'm thinking, would be the reason
right.
I
So
would
the
want
reasons
to.
for going to the country, usually people have made that decision up already. They want to go to the country. And then
But how about you sway people? So what can you say to people to sway? Okay, he's a city boy. How do you sway him? There's a city boy right there, lives in a condo. How